Mary Sanderson, the little sister, I believe, from the Hocus Pocus movie. Most of you guys know that I did this look last year. I just never put a tutorial up. This is not the entire costume. I don't have the entire costume on because the vest is very hard for me to get on. If you guys would like to see how I did this look, please keep watching this video. If you guys would like to stalk me anywhere else on my social media, my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook links are down below. Facebook.com/IHaveTheNightArt. Please make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. If you guys are going as a Sanderson sister this Halloween, please make sure to tag me down below. Let me know. We did this last year when they first came out. I was super ecstatic about this because I love Hocus Pocus. I've been wanting to do one of the costumes for years. Honestly, I would have done Winnie if I had the chance, but I mean, my sister ended up being Winnie, so I ended up being Mary, and I have another sister, but she did not want it. It's only the two of us for now. I hope you guys are excited, and I hope you guys have a lot of fun watching this video. Okay. I don't know what's going on. Every time I set this camera up, it's like always in a different position style thing, so I don't know what's going on, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me. I'm not wearing the vest part of this costume because once I get in the vest, I'm not getting out. I totally forgot I was filming this outfit today, so I took my wig over to my mom's house. We'll throw a photo up of what it looked like. This look is mostly focused on the eyes versus the actual like face itself. I've already done my foundation, and it is the Covergirl Clean Concealer and the Maybelline 102 Fit Me Matte Foundation. We're gonna go into my eyebrows. The Maybelline Color Tattoo, the Pure Pigments in Black Mystery. I just dump a little bit of this into the cap because you don't need a lot. You guys can use brow powders. I don't have any because I don't do my brows. So once you guys are done with that, you can either do some kind of contour, some kind of highlight, whatever you want to do. I personally am not one of those people to do that, so I'm going to set my face with the Air Spun powder in translucent. Once you're set with that, we're gonna start moving on to our eye area. So we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Color Tattoo in Too Cool, which is a base I use for just about everything. It's a white base, and it works for just about everything. I don't use eye primer anymore since I have this. I'm actually going to take the same brush. Normally I would lay down a base of white, but I'm not going to do that for this style of tutorial. I'm going to take another Maybelline product. This is the Expert Wear Shadow in New York Silver, I believe. And I'm going to wet my brush a little bit and then pat this on. This is going to help us in the long run for the eye look. I don't have the original shadows I use, so I'm going to be going into this LA Colors palette because it has various grays and also various blues, which is nice, and various shades of like white. So I'm going to start off with the lightest gray, work into the darkest gray until I essentially have the gradient I want. It's going from lightest in this corner to darkest in the outer corner. Taking the absolute lightest gray in there. It might not show up at first, but it's okay. You finally used like all the grays in that palette and you need a darker one. I personally don't go for black because black's a lot harder to blend out. I'm gonna go into the Profusion Crimson and Slate palette and I'm gonna take the slate color and I'm gonna be very gentle with this because there's a lot of fallout. What I'm gonna do is put that in these outer corners, making it the darkest part of the eye look, even though Mary doesn't really, like, you can't tell if she's wearing makeup other than the lipstick she's actually got on in the movie. We're going to move on to our eyeliner. I'm taking the e.l.f. cream or gel liner, I cannot remember which, it doesn't say on it anyways, and an angled eyeliner brush, and I'm going to do a tiny wing, I want to say, and then you guys know my deal, I'm going to go over it with the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Finish this off, you're going to want her signature red lip look, LA Colors lip pencil. So I'm going to outline my lips. The closest shade I think I have to her lips, like the lip color, is this Fergie collection through Wet n Wild. This is A038 Saraghina? I don't know. It's a pretty decent red color. I mean, it's pretty close to like a true red, but it's a little off. But we're going to use this to fill in our lips, and then we're essentially going to be done with this look. So we are done with this look. You can add your accessories if you want. This is the necklace I was going to wear. It's very reminiscent of Halloween Town, yet another of my favorite Disney movies for Halloween. This is the end of the Halloween series. via this video on my channel. There was supposed to be a giveaway, but something got screwed up, so we are going to save it for a later date. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial I gave you guys on Mary Sanderson. If you guys want to go check out any of my other videos, if you need any more Halloween inspiration right for the Halloween season, they're all pretty easy, they're all pretty low maintenance, and you can get a lot of your products that you need at a drugstore, which is great because that is what I mostly use on this channel, because I can't afford it, like name brands. Like the fact that I have a Cat Von D layer says a lot. So if you're looking for more tutorials, go check out some of my favorite channels, Kristen Leanne, Mikey from Glam and Gore, and Lex from Made You Look. They are amazing artists. That is it for this Halloween tutorial. I hope you guys had a stellar time doing this look with me. I hope you guys have a safe Halloween weekend. Don't drink too much, because drinking and driving is bad, so be safe, be careful, and be spooky, y'all. Have a good one.